Hi everyone, I am Sunja, Microsoft MVP. Today I would like to share with you about the Microsoft Azure Notebooks demo. Right, at first, navigate to notebooks.azure.com in your browser and sign in using your Microsoft account. Then click the library, then add a new library. You can name it as Notebook Hands-on Lab, Notebook Hands-on Lab. For me, I already create and click cancel. Then okay, after that, click the notebook you have created. Now you need to create add a new library again. Okay, a new library. You put a notebook hands-on lab ID Python IPython, then IPython notebook, then Python 3.5 notebook. And just click new. Then I need to click cancel because I don't want it to overwrite. And after that, I click the notebook hands-on lab.ipython. At first, you select the first cell, then click markdown to type Azure Notebook Hands-on Lab. Then after that, you can add a new cell, insert a new cell below, and you change it to a code. Then enter the following Python code into a cell, and after that, you click run. Then it will show you a result, but I don't know why I can't not show the result. After that, you need to import data. Import data, how to import data? Upload a data with a 5 years means 1951 to 1958, and 5 years means 1A to 2014 CSV. But I don't know why the file not found. Okay, now after that, you need to enter the code again. Year base. And after that, click run. Then you need to do a markdown again. Create a scatter plot. Then add a new cell. Then enter the markdown again. And if success, it will show you the data set that you use for 30 years means between 1951 and 1980 to calculate the base temperature for that period. And then use 5 years means temperature to calculate the difference between 5 years means and the 30 years means for each year. The scattered 5 years, the scatter plot show the annual temperature difference. It will show you a temperature a block how to say it's a diagram. If success. Okay, after that you need to do a markdown again, then add a code cell and paste in the following code. Take a moment to read the comment. The line begins with sharp signs to understand what the code is doing. And after that, run again. Then if success, it will show you a diagram. From the regression line, you can see that the difference between 30 years means temperature and 5 years means temperature is increasing over time. Most of the computational work required to generate the regression line was performed by NumPy polyfit function, which compute the value of m and b in the equation y equal to ms plus b. Okay, now we need to perform add a markdown to perform linear regression with scikit-learn. Another popular Python library that is widely used in the research community is scikit-learn, which excels at building machine learning models to help extract information from data. In this exercise, you will use scikit-learn, which was already imported in exercise 2, to compute trend line for the NASA climate data. Then add the code cell and paste the following code. Okay. Then after that you run again. The output is almost identical to the output in the previous exercise. The difference is that scikit-learn did more of the work for you. Specifically, you didn't have to code line function as you did with NumPy. Scikit-learn linear regression function did it for you. Scikit-learn support many different types of regression, which come in handy when building sophisticated machine learning model. Okay, and last, you need to markdown, perform linear regression with Seaborn. One of the cool things about the Azure Notebook and Python in general is that there are thousands of open source libraries you can leverage to perform complex stuff without writing a lot of code. In this exercise, you will use Seaborn, a library for statistical visualization, to plot the second of the two datasets you loaded, which cover the year 1882 to 2014. Seaborn can create regression line accompanied by a projection showing where data points should fall based on the regression with one simple function call. Then you add the code cell and paste the following code. After that, it will show you a scatter chart with a regression line and a visual representation of the range in which the data points are expected to fall. Okay, after that, how you another additional function, how to create a slideshow, how when you want to present to the customer. Okay, you go to view, create a toolbar, then select the slideshow. This is the additional function if you successfully compile the code. Then you can select the first one, the slide type. You put a slide or fragment, then put slide, then you will show to your customer. Then after that, you need to enter accessorize a slideshow. For me, I can't compile. You see, it will show you how to present the code to your customer. Okay, at last, how to share the notebook file, cause and help. Then how to share. You click edit. How to say new. That no need edit. You direct to share. Then you can share to your colleague for your client. In conclusion, the Azure Notebooks website contains several sample notebooks that you can experiment with and learn from. Discover sentiments in tweets, perform sentiment analysis on 160,000 tweets, and use the word cloud package to generate word cloud from the tweets. Introduction to Cognitive Toolkits is a library of notebooks that demonstrate how to use the Microsoft Cognitive Toolkits to build sophisticated machine learning models. Check out the Azure Notebook homepage for additional sample notebooks and use them to deepen your understanding of Jupyter and sharpen your data science skills.